The Reloop Mixtour Pro was developed in close collaboration with Laidback Luke and is an ultra-compact professional 4-deck DJ controller. It's specifically designed to be used with Algoriddim's award-winning DJ Pro software, which is compatible on Mac, iOS and Windows. Connect the Mixtour Pro to a power source via the USB-C power port and connect to your device running DJ Pro via the USB-C data port, which will also conveniently keep the device bus powered. Devices with USB-C connections are also capable of powering the Mixtour Pro directly via the data port. Connect the Mixtour Pro to a sound system via the RCA ports and turn the unit on with the power button. DJ Pro will detect the Mixtour Pro automatically and unlock its dedicated Pro features. In addition to performing with locally stored music, the Reloop Mixtour Pro, together with Algoriddim DJ, offers access to millions of tracks on demand via major streaming services such as Apple Music, Tidal, SoundCloud Go+, Beatport, and BeatSource. Access the DJ library by pressing a load button, or by pushing the browse encoder, or by tuning the browse encoder. Here you can cycle through the different library sources and access any streaming service by holding Shift and turning the browse encoder. After logging in, your streaming account will be connected within DJ, enabling you to explore and mix millions of songs. Holding Shift and pressing the load buttons allow you to cycle through the library tabs to access playlists, review charts, and get song recommendations. Push the browse encoder to enter or exit a playlist, and turn it to scroll through the playlist. Pressing a load button will load it to its designated deck. Each deck can be controlled by its dedicated transport section, channel fader, gain, 3-band EQ, bipolar filter, effects section, and crossfader for fading between decks. The Mixtour Pro also offers a powerful feature set for the most creative mixing via its 8 RGB performance pads. These can be assigned to operate a wide range of modes, including hot cue, bounce loop, pitch cue, and instant effects. And for added flexibility, all 8 pads can be assigned to control one deck in single pad mode, or 4 pads can be assigned to each deck via split pad mode by pressing the split button.
I play the guitar, same time, I like it like that, but at the same time.
The Reloop Mixtour Pro unlocks key features in Algoriddim's DJ Pro software, including their revolutionary neural mix technology, allowing DJs to isolate and manipulate individual drums, instruments and vocals from any track in real time. The Mixtour Pro offers a dedicated pad mode.
Let me tell you about my princess, man. She be the queen bee in this clan. She bail me out when I'm in the can. Business plan.
Neural Mix can also be operated intuitively via the EQ controls of the 2 channel strips with a simple press of a button.
But the skin is still smoother than leather. Your feathers shaded by Ethiopian umbrellas. If she had a choice, it was me or Mayweather.
Furthermore, the Neural Mix EQ and regular EQ values are preserved when toggling between each mode.
Last wife, she stabbed me with a glass knife, leave me with a hole where I had a why won't you believe?
The Mixtour Pro is also the first DJ controller to support Algoriddim DJ Pro's revolutionary Crossfader Fusion feature. DJs are now able to select from a range of creative transition styles that are automatically applied when mixing from one song to another delivering a perfect mix every single time with the simple slide of the crossfader. The level of automation for the transitions can be adjusted to your preference via DJ's general settings, such as automatically applying sync or automatically starting a deck when opening the crossfader. By default, the crossfader is a fundamental tool for blending or cutting from one deck to another, but by tapping on the dedicated Crossfader Fusion pop-up menu, you're able to choose from a range of different transition styles and assign it to the Mixtour Pro's crossfader with the dedicated crossfader effects toggle switch. Now, by simply sliding the crossfader, you're able to seamlessly transition from one deck to the other with added dimensions such as effects and neural mix, all triggered automatically and intelligently on the fly.
She grew up pretty tough in the hood, but her skin is still smoother than leather. Fly like exotic Caribbean feathers, shaded by Ethiopian umbrellas.
Come ride with me, cruising with the top down, 80 outside, fall in love with me.
Crossfader Fusion can even be used to transition smoothly between songs with vast tempo differences, such as hip-hop to house, while preserving the original tempo of each song. To do this, activate the Tempo Blend toggle switch at the bottom of the Crossfader Fusion pop-up menu. Now, when moving the crossfader, a tempo ramp is applied in addition to the chosen Crossfader Fusion transition style, allowing you to make a dramatic BPM change or genre switch in your set completely effortlessly.
Running towards the only voice, but I gotta make a choice to reveal something. Wants to keep my heart wide open, heart wide open. I don't wanna run no more. I don't wanna know.
And as a shortcut to avoid having to always open the Crossfader Effects pop-up menu, Crossfader Fusion can be toggled on and off by holding Shift and pressing Headphone Q1, while Tempo Blend can be toggled on and off by holding Shift and Headphone Q2.